Hey my greats, welcome to another episode of Ashley Makes It. Today I'm going to be showing you how I added faux leather to these drawers. So if you're interested in seeing how I did it, just keep on watching. You're going to need your drawer, a cutting mat, ruler, X-Acto knife, scissors, measuring tape, your measurement, and your fabric. Use your measuring tape to take your measurements. Mine came up to be 19 by 13 3/4 inches. Now it's time to cut. I'm using a pen to mark on the back side of the fabric and using my ruler as a straight edge. I'm then following behind that with my X-Acto knife, still using my ruler as a straight edge to get a seamless straight cut. And I'm going to repeat this for both my length and my width for each one of my inserts. Alright, now break out your Mod Podge and brush. Take your fabric and first do a dry fit. And once you're sure that it fits, go ahead, put your Mod Podge on your brush. Use a generous amount and put it all over the bottom of the drawer. You're going to need a good amount, so don't go light on this. This leather is pretty thick and it's going to soak up all of the moisture that is the Mod Podge. So to make sure that you get a good stick, you want to use a good generous amount. Once you have that down, flip it on over and start to add pressure, smoothing out any bumps, wrinkles, or bubbles, and repeat. Now the most important part and the final step is to seal this. I'm going to be using the Mod Podge as a top coat, but you can use whatever sealer you want, whatever sealer you have on hand. But since we're already using the Mod Podge, it will be much simpler to use it here as well. Since Mod Podge is super pliable and takes a good amount of time to stick, you can continue to smooth things out for as long as you need to feel comfortable with your work. 3 thin coats later, and this is what we're looking like. And here's the completed look. Nice and smooth. You can't really see the leather texture, but it's there. And it was super, super easy. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you stay tuned and see how I made those leather drawer pulls. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. We're also on Pinterest, so follow me there as well. If you like this video, don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, make each day a great day. Now go be great.